how to do the color correction on Filmora. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do the color correction on Filmora. So first thing we do is we go to Filmora, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want the color correction option, you have to go to your video right here and right click on your mouse like this, and then choose this option, color correction. And as you can see, now you can control your colors as you want, like the exposure or even the contrast or vibrance like this, and also the saturation. And you have the light option right here, as you can see, the highlight, the shadows, the whites and the black. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.